Hello guys, this video is on how to build amazing web pages such as squeeze page, sales page, whatever page you want using a plugin in WordPress. So this amazing plugin is called Elementor and it is free to use. Of course they have the paid version, which is the pro version, but if you only use the free version of this plugin, it will be more than enough to build amazing squeeze page or landing page or sales page. As you can see on screen, this is the website of this plugin Elementor, and this is quite amazing. So I'm going to show you how it has transformed my website homepage into an interactive and very creative homepage for me. So this is a Wayback Machine internet archive to show you how your website looks like in the past time. So this is on 23rd of September 2017. So this is how it looks like. So basically it's just a theme from my WordPress website. It actually looks pretty cool. Once I found out about how good this Elementor plugin is, I've transformed it into an amazing homepage. I'm going to show it to you. So this is the homepage. So once you have entered my homepage, you can see all the entrance animations. It's pretty cool. So when you scroll down, you can see the animations of all these things. Let's say we provide YouTube as learning platform, which is I'm doing right now, and all other kind of things. And I'm showing you our team. That's me. You can see all the skills that which I have. All these things are being done by this amazing plugin in the WordPress. So this is my partner, and this is a very short section to promote my squeeze page in my homepage. So when people click it, you will enter a squeeze page, which is another thing. So this section is actually from the theme of my website, which is already embedded. I just do some amendments on my homepage. So going back to my WordPress dashboard, so this is the theme which I've installed. It is called Square. It is quite good actually, but the only problem is that you can't adjust and customize the things which you want it to be. So I've downloaded this Elementor plugin, so I'm not going to show you how to download this plugin. You can refer to other tutorials. So this video is mostly on how you build amazing web pages with this amazing plugin. Alright, so how to do it? Let's get started. So right now, just go to pages and go to add new. So right now, just put in the title of the name. For example, if you're building whatever page you want, let's say I'm going to do it as a squeeze page 1. So if you have your Elementor plugin installed into your WordPress dashboard, you will see a button over here which is added with Elementor. Just click it. Alright, just let it run for a while. It's going to take some time. So once you're inside this Elementor dashboard to edit this web page, you will see your pages over here. So this is the site widget. So if your team has a sidebar, it will show a sidebar. So if your team doesn't have any sidebar, it won't show it. So in my case, it was something like this. So this is where you add all your sections. It's very easy to do it. So firstly, just add new section, just select which column which you want. Either way will fine. Let's say you're going to do this one, and let's say you want to put a heading on top. Just click here and add a new section. You can just put in a new column width over here. But for this size, these are the elements which you can click, drag and drop. Simple as that. And from here you can just put in your title. So it doesn't really matter right now. In order to you to go back to its original interface, just go to here and double click it. You will go back to this elements. From time to time, you can just drag and drop any kind of elements into this column width. So one thing pretty cool about this plugin that it has embedded templates for you ready-made, so you don't have to start from scratch. So you can download their templates, which is free. Just go to here, templates, go to templates library. So you can see that they have provided you all kinds of templates. If you see a pro words over here, it means that you have to pay. You have to download a pro version. Why don't you just go for the free templates, right? So there are lots of templates which you can choose. Let's try to choose this one. Let's go to insert, click here, insert. So once you have inserted the template, it has done all the format and design for you. Pretty cool, right? Let's try to delete these two things. So just move your mouse over here and move your mouse to this exit button, remove section, delete it, delete it. Alright, easy. So let's say you want to edit the title, just click here. So once you click on this box, you will notice three sections over here. Content, which you have to edit the contents, the words, blah, blah, blah. When you go to style, this is where you edit your text, color, text font, the weight, all these kind of things. You can just try and narrow. It's pretty easy to do it. You can adjust the size by going here and just click it, or you can just drag this thing to adjust the size, line, height. See, you just have to try and narrow and see how it fits to your preference. So one thing pretty cool is this: when you go to advanced section, so this margin and padding, you can just try and narrow for yourself. This is something pretty cool, which is the entrance animation. This is freaking cool, man. And how would you do it? Entrance animation basically means that when people enter to your website, at the first moment you will have a animation as an entrance. Alright, so let's choose one of the animation. Gonna choose it as fade up, fading down, something like this. Did you see that? So once you download an animation, if you want to edit the contents on here, just click here, make sure you click it, and you see the words over here. And then let's try to edit the content, something like this. And let's go to advanced section. Let's choose another entrance animation. I'm gonna choose fading up, something like this. I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the internet. So just click save first, let it save for a while. Done. Go to exit and let's preview the page. Click view page. So once you enter the page, did you see the animation over here? Let's do it again. So they'll be fading on the top and down at the bottom as well. It sounds pretty cool, right? There's another thing which is even more amazing. Let's go back to our dashboard, which is from here. You can delay the entrance animations. So just click here. I want this thing to be delayed for 0.5 seconds. Alright. So I just click here and go to advanced. Go to here, animation delay. M is for millisecond, ms. So you're gonna put 500 millisecond, which is 0.5 second. So once you've done on this 500 milliseconds delay, click save. So once you've done, go back here and refresh it. You will see the delay at this bottom subtitle here. It delays its animations. So it sounds pretty cool. It's very interactive. People will able to know what is going on when they enter your homepage. Let's carry on and go down. If you want to move this section, just hover your mouse over here. Alright, just click here and just pull it to whatever part which you want it to be. Cool. So let's take it back because it doesn't seem right. So you can do your animations as well. Just go to advanced and go to entrance animation, fading on the left here, fading on the right, and here you can do your images as well. Go to advanced, entrance. Let's try something even nicer. Rotate it and read more. Double click it, go to advanced, entrance, fading off on the up. So you've done all the animations on these sections. Let's try to save it first. Alright, if you want to preview it, go to the exit button, go to view page. So when people enter your page, it was something like this. So when people scroll down, they will see your animations which you have done previously. So something like this. So did you see the animation? Let's see it again. Boom. Sounds pretty nice indeed. Alright, so this is how you do animation. This is something pretty cool about this plugin, which I think is so amazing because it's free. Alright, let's go to here. Let's say you want this image to be bigger. Double click it and go to style. You can change the size by simply adjusting this size over here. You can make it as big as possible, something like this. And if you can see there's an empty space over here, you want to bring this thing over here, just move your mouse on this line, just drag it. So there's another animation you can do it, which is the hover animation. It means that when people move their mouse hovering on your images, it will show its animations. I want the hover animation to be grown towards the images. It would be something like this. So when you move your mouse towards the image, it will show its animations. If you want to know more about other features, you can message me, or you can give me a comment or feedback at the section below, so I can personally answer your questions, or I can record another video for you guys to know how to use this amazing plugin.